เป็นวันตรุษจีน which is Chinese New Year.
Second day.
Second day or first day?
I don't know. What's okay.
ตรุษจีน is
never mind.
Chinese New Year
okay.
in Thai. So we are at
River Hong Bao.
yes at the Esplanade MRT, and there is the festival for the River Hong Bao. So there will be a lot of like lanterns, lights, and there's like I think that there's like the things that you can play like ngan wat over there. You know, the things that you can like put the darts into like the balloons
The
and then you
festival
get
games.
the carnivals. Yes.
I saw some bumper car.
Yes.
Lots of toys to win.
Okay, so we will walk around like the lanterns because I think that there's a lot of performance lanterns along the way, and there's going to be firework also. So stay tuned. Okay, let's go. Probably, I think it symbolizes, you know, Chinese New Year in Singapore. Okay, come on.
And we're gonna head over to check out the all the good stuff over there.
Yes. So you can hear that the music, there's like a
Chinese.
performance going on.
And I can see the
So
lion
crowded.
dance costume.
Oh my god. And then you will see people like with the mask as well because you know, with the virus and everything. Please take care.
The security is pretty good. It's got a temperature scanner.
Yeah.
Running up.
Oh my god, so many people.
And now we're heading into the main attraction area.
Which is called the floating stadium, right? The floating stage?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it stage or stadium? Yeah, anyway, it's a floating platform where all like the National Day Parade, like this event or like a special events takes place. Oh, I know. I think guys, so this is Goldfish, which is sponsored by the Guan Yin Temple.
The one that we went in the
Yeah.
previous episode. So if you can see, this is the one, the Guan Yin Temple in the Bugis. The Guan Yin Temple in Bugis.
Yeah.อันนี้เป็น wishing tree นะคะ ก็จะขอพร ก็คือว่าวันนี้เขาจะปาเหรียญที่โดนไอ้ตัวระฆังอันนั้นนะคะ เดี๋ยวดูว่าเป่าจะปาโดนไหมนะคะ
พี่จะเบลอ่ะ
ไม่โดน ไม่โดน
Well, you missed it? Oh, you're supposed to hit the bell? Okay, okay. Well,
wanna
good
try?
good try, come.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we still have a few exciting performances upcoming.
You have one?
Yeah, I got come just come go.
微微เอา
现在有这个非常好玩的游戏叫做生肖猎奇哈游 Zogan， 就是打从呢现在直到这个27号，就是年初三。在这期间呢，在这个滨海湾湖的舞台这里呢，就有一个虚拟的游戏任务。
OK， 虚拟的游戏，所以你要到这个网址 husb.com.sg/your
Did you get it?
zodiac。So this
But
game
then,
you can stand a chance to win.
I think the pillar is of the bell.
All you need to do is
I don't know if I hit something.
Yeah, you hit something, so that means that the wish is granted. Okay.
小猪还有文宏，那文宏是客家人，
对，我也是客家人。
你也是客家人，看不出来啊。
วันนี้เขามีปีหนู and then after that is the tiger
And then up ahead we see the rabbit.
rabbit is mine here that's it I'll go in it
And in front I see the snake.
谢谢，非常感谢深深歌舞剧带来的牛肉炉。
เรียนแบบเด็กคนนั้นเลยร้านเจ้าพระ You need to take a picture with your snake also. Come. Is it the snake or dragon? Oh,
No,
this is
that's
the
the
snake.
snake.
Yeah. Okay. หล่อค่ะมา let's go continue wait after the snake is the dragon where's the dragon
Up ahead.
the horse
So they are all got different sponsors.
yeah obviously 12 sponsor
That is one muscular horse. Trojan horse.
this is what goat
Ram maybe? Goat or ram? Yeah.
goat
Yeah. Yang.
หยางหยาง means goat นะคะหรือแพะ monkey
And here we got the rooster
oh we left out one left
at the start.
where is it
On the left side.
ox
Maybe.
yeah let's go and get the ox
Okay. And now we looking back to what we missed. But we show you guys. Yep.
this is cool
This really traditional stage.
it looks like the dragon not is it dragon dance oh lion dance and dragon
lion dance, lion dance.
oh this thing can move also
What? Where? Oh, check it out. Okay, it's super slow, but it's not moving anymore. Here we got the puppet master controlling the dragon. And now looping back to the ox that we missed earlier.
how come it looks like a bull
Maybe it is.
let the market this year be the
Bull
bull market
And the tiger. Did we take the tiger?
yeah we did
Okay. And that should be the 12th zodiac. And here we got the calligraphy uncle.
There's like a plant or leaf underneath it. I'll go and check it out whether it's like real or plastic.
Inspection
Yeah.
time.
Oh, it's totally fake. I thought that they're trying to grow the trees on the floating platform, you know? It's like, okay, let's go and check out other stuff. What does it symbolize? Like the first one is the year of the rat, I understand, carrying like the treasure.
And
all
then the
luck.
middle is
The
like a
mid-
scholar, you know, do well in the studies. And then the right one is
It's what?
in a
Health?
tracksuit, yeah, to be healthy.
This is so Singapore.
That's
like,
how it is.
so it's like, the way that I interpret it is that if you're lucky, that means that you're successful in education and then you're healthy.
Yep. Got like everything. That's all you need.
The year of the pig.
We missed that one out.
น่ารักเหมือนพบเลย
What? No.
Oh, you understand what
Snake.
I'm talking?
It sings like me. No.
น่ารัก
Nice try.
น่ารักน่ารัก
No,
เหมือน
no,
พ
no,
บ
no.
Okay, let's go and see the year of the dog. The year of the dog.
That is one muscular and like pretty looking dog from this eyes.
Yeah. I think it looks like that, you know, the...
Dalmatian, 101 Dalmatian.
No.
Oh.
The one is like the spaghetti, you know, the fall in love one. The Disney
Oh,
also.
right.
What is it
I
called?
don't know, but it's the one they eat the spaghetti
Yes.
together, then after they kiss.
Because of the ear.
And now Papa going for the coin toss again because she missed the first time round.
The wishing tree. ตะกี้เราใช้เหรียญ10 cent นะคะ It might be too light the point. This time we're gonna get
All the
$1.
excuses coming out.
Okay. Get the bags ready. Totally missed it.
I heard the sound though. Not you?
No, totally missed
Oh.
it. It went into the middle.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Anyway, the wish is a wish, but the thing is, if you start working hard and working on it, it will come true.
Well said, well said.
Following the balloons. Okay, so we walk around the River Hong Bao already. I think it is nice. It's a good family, how do I say, outing. Yeah, to bring the small kids. So we can see that a lot of families here. I think it's suitable for like kids and elderlies also. Yeah. So I think the one. Is there anything that you like or you want to say?
Yeah, there's different timing for different events. They have like the golden shower where they rain out the confetti, right, at different intervals. So, you know, just check out the timing and the schedule for the lineup for the events.
Right, and then they have the firework,
yeah.
which we missed because we didn't check the timing. We checked the timing, but we forgot.
Yeah, we came a little bit late, but
Yeah. Anyway.
still a lot of cool stuff around here.
Yeah. And then the second one is just that since there will be a lot of people, so make sure that your kids know where to find you, or I mean, you'll know your number, where the information center is. So in case that they got lost, they know how to contact you. There's like the information at the entrance and at the exit of the event. So I think that you need to talk to your kids and teach them if they get lost what to do. Yeah. So basically, this is what we find. So, 恭喜发财 everyone. Bye bye.